Cultural bias affects any and all types of research carried out by B2B. Though the focus of the study was primarily on customer satisfaction and customer experience research, we did find there to be differences when looking at the likes of branding research and product development. Going back to customer satisfaction research, the cultural biases are most obvious when looking at responses to rating scales. When looking at branding research, questions like brand awareness often have implications as far as cultural bias is concerned. For example, a respondent in China is typically more likely to say at least that they are aware of more brands than someone in another country. This is another example of an inclination to please or agree with the interviewer asking the question. When it comes to product development and concept testing research, a respondent's nationality has a big impact on their likelihood to resonate with that concept. For example, respondents in countries like Australia and Japan tend to be more skeptical of such ideas and concepts, whereas those concepts will usually resonate more strongly with respondents in Mexico and Brazil. Culture is just one of a myriad of factors which affect response styles in B2B research. As a result, it's very, very difficult to quantify the specific impact that culture has. Companies which attempt to do so risk making assumptions which could jeopardize the validity and accuracy of data. The former head of research for GM, Charles Kettering, once said that a problem well stated is a problem half solved. And I think that applies here because if we can acknowledge, define and therefore control cultural bias, as well as all of the other biases which exist in B2B research, that becomes much less damaging than trying to make assumptions about biases or trying to eliminate them, in which case they then become uncontrolled and much more damaging to the research process.